HomeLink is a radio frequency transceiver built into your Tesla Model 3. It learns and replicates your garage door opener's signal. It typically operates at frequencies between 300 and 400 MHz. The pairing process involves training HomeLink by holding its buttons near your opener's transmitter. HomeLink relies on line-of-sight radio frequency signals within a range of 100 to 200 feet. Wi-Fi interference and metal structures can disrupt these signals. Remember, HomeLink isn't compatible with Bluetooth-only openers. Start by accessing your Tesla's settings menu and selecting Garage Doors. Follow the on-screen prompts to program each button. Key things to check. Ensure you press the opener button long enough during the training process. Rule out any potential interference from nearby electronics. For older openers, you might need to reset the opener itself or use an external RF extender if rolling code technology isn't syncing properly. Try resetting HomeLink directly from your Tesla's touchscreen. You can do this by holding both HomeLink buttons for about 20 seconds. Also, ensure your vehicle's firmware is up to date, as updates often include fixes for HomeLink-related issues. Tesla's support app can also provide diagnostic assistance. If these steps fail, it might be a hardware issue requiring a service center visit. If you suspect signal interference, especially in urban areas or high-rise apartments, consider alternative solutions. Signal interference occurs when radio frequency signals are blocked or disrupted by buildings, Wi-Fi networks, or other electronics, preventing reliable garage door communication. Tesla now promotes universal garage door controllers like MyQ or Chamberlain apps paired directly with the car's touchscreen, bypassing HomeLink altogether. This app-based approach uses smartphone connectivity instead of RF signals, making it more reliable in interference-prone environments. A Reddit user fixed their non-working HomeLink by installing a third-party RF bridge, such as the Zoo Z-Wave module, connected to their smart home hub. This DIY solution creates a bridge between the garage door opener and smart home systems, providing reliable control even with interference issues. In 2021, hackers at DEF CON demonstrated a remote takeover of HomeLink via replay attacks. This exploit allowed unauthorized access to garage doors by capturing and replaying signals. Tesla responded by disabling HomeLink in software for Model 3s worldwide. Tesla's 2024 cybersecurity report documented over 5,000 reported incidents. Firmware patches were released, but user complaints persisted. The V12 update in late 2025 made HomeLink disable mandatory unless opted in at a service center, citing FCC regulations and cybersecurity concerns. The trend is moving away from proprietary systems like HomeLink, driven by IoT integration and security concerns. By 2030, HomeLink could be completely obsolete in Teslas, replaced by over-the-air updates and AI-assisted pairing via cameras or ultrasonic sensors. The rise of V2X, vehicle-to-everything, communication may enable seamless garage integration without user intervention. Automakers like Ford and GM are adopting similar app-based systems. Experts believe HomeLink's obsolescence is inevitable. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated in a 2025 interview that hardware like HomeLink is outdated. Software will handle everything. Cybersecurity firms warn of increased garage door hacks. Repair costs average around $150 per incident. A Tesla owner satisfaction survey showed 65% of Model 3 users cite HomeLink as a moderate issue. According to AAA, 30% of cases require professional help, and the success rate for self-troubleshooting is about 60%. As HomeLink technology becomes obsolete, software-based solutions promise a more secure and reliable future for garage door control in Tesla vehicles.